Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to start your own soap making business from the comfort of your home. This business is perfect for those who love making handmade, natural, and eco-friendly products. Whether you're looking for a new hobby or a way to earn extra income, soap making is a great option. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and gather materials. Before you start, you'll need to do some research to learn about the different types of soap making, the ingredients you'll need, and the tools and equipment you'll require. You can find lots of information online or in books about soap making. Choose a method that you feel comfortable with and that you think will work best for you. Some of the materials you'll need include a soap mold, essential oils, fragrances, colorants, lye, and oils such as olive, coconut, and palm. You can purchase these items from local craft stores or online. Step 2. Make your first batch of soap. Before you start making soap, it's important to wear protective gear, such as gloves and goggles, to protect yourself from the lye. Next, mix your oils and lye together in a heat-resistant container. Stir the mixture until it reaches trace, which is when it thickens and begins to resemble pudding. Add any fragrances, colorants, or essential oils you'd like to include, and then pour the mixture into your soap mold. Cover the mold with plastic wrap or a lid and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. After that, remove the soap from the mold and cut it into bars. Allow the bars to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. This will help them harden and last longer. Step 3. Package and sell your soap. Now that you've made your first batch of soap, it's time to package it and start selling. You can create your own unique packaging, or you can purchase pre-made soap boxes or bags. Consider selling your soap online, at local markets and craft fairs, or in stores. You can also reach out to local spas, hotels, and bed and breakfasts to see if they'd like to sell your soap in their gift shops. Don't forget to include a label on your soap that includes the name of your brand, the ingredients, and your contact information. Step 4. Grow your business. As your soap-making business grows, you can start offering a wider variety of products, such as shampoo bars, body butters, and bath bombs. You can also start a blog or YouTube channel to share your soap-making journey and connect with other soap makers. Conclusion: soap making is a fun and rewarding business that you can start from the comfort of your own home. With the right ingredients, equipment, and marketing skills, you can turn your passion for soap making into a successful business. Don't forget to visit Profits Digital to find digital products that will help you grow your business even further. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials. Thank you for watching.